Question Alpha 01, what is a common repeater frequency offset in the 2-meter band? Answer is B plus or minus 600 kHz. Question Alpha 02, what is the national calling frequency for FM simplex operations in the 2-meter band? Answer is A 146.520 MHz. Question Alpha 03, what is a common repeater frequency offset in the 70 cm band? Answer is A plus or minus 5 MHz. Question Alpha 04, what is an appropriate way to call another station on a repeater if you know the other station's call sign? Answer is B. Say the station's call sign, then identify with your call sign. Question Alpha 05, how should you respond to a station calling CQ? Answer is C. Transmit the other station's call sign followed by your call sign. Question Alpha 06, which of the following is required when making on-the-air test transmissions? Answer is A. Identify the transmitting station. Question Alpha 07, what is meant by repeater offset? Answer is A. The difference between a repeater's transmit and receive frequencies. Question Alpha 08, what is the meaning of the procedural signal CQ? Answer is D. Calling any station. Question Alpha 09, which of the following indicates that a station is listening on a repeater and looking for a contact? Answer is B. The station's call sign followed by the word monitoring. Question Alpha 10, what is a band plan, beyond the privileges established by the FCC? Answer is A. A voluntary guideline for using different modes or activities within an amateur band. Question Alpha 11, what term describes an amateur station that is transmitting and receiving on the same frequency? Answer is C. Simplex. Question Alpha 12, what should you do before calling CQ? Answer is D. All these choices are correct. Question Bravo 01, how is a VHF/UHF transceiver's reverse function used? Answer is C. To listen on a repeater's input frequency. Question Bravo 02, what term describes the use of a subaudible tone transmitted along with normal voice audio to open the squelch of a receiver? Answer is D. CTCSS. Question Bravo 03, which of the following describes a linked repeater network? Answer is A. A network of repeaters in which signals received by one repeater are transmitted by all the repeaters in the network. Question Bravo 04, which of the following could be the reason you are unable to access a repeater whose output you can hear? Answer is D. All these choices are correct. Question Bravo 05, what would cause your FM transmission audio to be distorted on voice peaks? Answer is C. You are talking too loudly. Question Bravo 06, what type of signaling uses pairs of audio tones? Answer is A. DTMF. Question Bravo 07, how can you join a digital repeaters talk group? Answer is C. Program your radio with the group's ID or code. Question Bravo 08, which of the following applies when two stations transmitting on the same frequency interfere with each other? Answer is A. The stations should negotiate continued use of the frequency. Question Bravo 09, why are simplex channels designated in the VHF/UHF band plans? Answer is A. So stations within range of each other can communicate without tying up a repeater. Question Bravo 10, which Q signal indicates that you are receiving interference from other stations? Answer is A. QRM. Question Bravo 11, which Q signal indicates that you are changing frequency? Answer is B. QSY. Question Bravo 12, what is the purpose of the color code used on DMR repeater systems? Answer is A. Must match the repeater color code for access. Question Bravo 13, what is the purpose of a squelch function? Answer is B. Mute the receiver audio when a signal is not present. Question Charlie 01, when do FCC rules not apply to the operation of an amateur station? Answer is D. FCC rules always apply. Question Charlie 02, which of the following are typical duties of a net control station? Answer is C. Call the net to order and direct communications between stations checking in. Question Charlie 03, what technique is used to ensure that voice messages containing unusual words are received correctly? Answer is C. Spell the words using a standard phonetic alphabet. Question Charlie 04, what is RACES? Answer is D. In FCC Part 97 Amateur Radio Service for Civil Defense Communications during national emergencies. Question Charlie 05, what does the term traffic refer to in net operation? Answer is A. Messages exchanged by net stations. Question Charlie 06, what is the Amateur Radio Emergency Service, ARES? Answer is A. A group of licensed amateurs who have voluntarily registered their qualifications and equipment for communications duty in the public service. Question Charlie 07, which of the following is standard practice when you participate in a net? Answer is C. Unless you are reporting an emergency, transmit only when directed by the net control station. Question Charlie 08, which of the following is a characteristic of good traffic handling? Answer is A. Passing messages exactly as received. Question Charlie 09, are amateur station control operators ever permitted to operate outside the frequency privileges of their license class? Answer is D. Yes, but only in situations involving the immediate safety of human life or protection of property. Question Charlie 10, what information is contained in the preamble of a formal traffic message? Answer is D. Information needed to track the message. Question Charlie 11, what is meant by check in a radiogram header? Answer is A. The number of words or word equivalents in the text portion of the message.